Today on the galley, we're doing salmon on Papillote. Now, on Papillote is just a fancy French term meaning in parchment. And this is one of my absolute favorite ways to cook any kind of fish. It just steams it beautifully, super easy, easy cleanup. And to do your parchment paper, fold it in half and think back to when you were in grade school and you would cut out hearts for Valentine's Day, and we're going to make a heart shape for our on Papillote. Now you can do a lot of different vegetables in yours. I really like zucchini and squash here, and whatever you pick, you want to do it thin because these are only going to cook 10 to 12 minutes, so you want a vegetable that's going to cook in that time. So that's one reason I love the zucchini. Asparagus works perfect in here too. Now you have some different options for how you want to cut your zucchini. Obviously you can do just slices, which is the easiest. Now there's different tools. You can use a peeler. There's also these fancy little peelers that make these really skinny julienne, and that's really great. These things for like if you do zucchini pasta, or if you have a mandolin, you can do the small julienne. And this is what I like. It's thin, but it's not too thin. So I'm going to get all of my mise en place together before we start building them. I am going to do a thinly sliced shallot as well, and I also have a lemon, which I'm going to slice. Add a couple sprigs of rosemary. And it's okay if you do these a little thicker. We're going to sit our vegetables on top of those. I think I'm going to go with these tomatoes. I've had these tomatoes for, I don't know, 3 weeks. And I think they probably need to be used. So I'm going to do some cherry tomatoes. I'm just going to cut them right in half. And then barbecue butter. So we're going to do barbecue salmon on Papillote. Now I just made my barbecue butter and I thought that's going to be the perfect thing for this. There's a lot of different directions that you can go. I think the most common for on Papillote is like lemon and dill. But we're rebels. We're changing things up. Now I'm just going to spray a little bit of avocado oil. You could use your extra virgin olive oil. We're going to lay down 2 pieces of lemon. On top of the lemon, I'm going to go with my shallots. I'm going to do a few tomatoes. I'm going to kind of put them face down on that shallot. It's just really all cooking together. And then our zucchini. We definitely need a little salt and pepper here. On white. White mixed, your preference. Now on top of this, we are gonna put our piece of salmon. Oh, we're gonna put our piece of salmon. Sorry, you got a little away from me there. Salt and pepper on my salmon. And then I'm gonna put 2 rounds of that barbecue butter and just a little sprig of rosemary on top. Now, I'm going to put just a little bit of wine, maybe a couple teaspoons. It's going to help with that steam in there, because I don't want it running over. I want to wait till I kind of get to the end and pour it in. So flip your heart over, and then you're going to start. Let me see if I can get this so you can see it. And you flip this over. You know what? Come on down here. Flip over, and then we flip over again. And then we flip over again, and we continue to do this. We want this to be completely sealed because this cooking method is steaming. So we want as much steam in there as we can get, and we're going to keep folding like that all the way around. And fold a little bit, take another piece, fold a little bit, take another piece, fold a little bit. Now I've gotten here to the end. And I'm just gonna pour a little bit of wine in there. And now I'm gonna keep folding it up. Until we're all closed. So I've got my beautiful little bundles here. They are ready. But it's not dinner time, which is great about this because you can do this up well in advance. I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator and then I'll see you back here for dinner time. Okay, so now it is dinner time and I pulled these out about 20 minutes, 30 minutes ago. Let them come up to room temperature if you're doing them in advance. Now, in your oven, 425 degrees, 10 to 12 minutes. I'm doing it out here on the grill because I don't want to heat up the boat. I'm going to put mine in here in the grill. I've got my grill on, well, it's about 450, but that's okay. Now, once you get them out of the oven, let them sit 2 to 3 minutes before you cut into them. And next, with a pair of scissors, and then just take a pair of scissors and crisscross, and just look at that beautiful bundle. Salmon on Papillote with barbecue butter. Isn't it beautiful? We'll see y'all later. Bye.